Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to back up data to Google Drive on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, Google Drive can be set up to automatically back up certain types of data, such as photos, videos, contacts, and app data. This automatic backup feature ensures that your data is continuously backed up without the need for manual intervention, providing ongoing protection for your information. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To initiate the data backup process on your device, start by opening the Settings menu. Okay, here please scroll down and then you can select System option. Well, within this section, find out and click on the Backup Data to Google Drive. And here you can choose the specific data you want to back up, such as videos, photos, or other essential information stored on your device. Okay, so after selecting the data to back up, click Confirm and grant the necessary access permission to your media. Okay, and proceed by selecting the preferred network connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once the connection is chosen, click on Backup Now to initiate the backup process. Okay, so now you can wait until the process is finished. Well, that's the tutorial on how to back up data to Google Drive on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.